we're going to give you corrections on your Muay Thai kick for more power, speed, and balance. Make sure to stay to the end because we're going to give you proper techniques that you can use to practice by yourself while you're doing your heavy bag work. Here we go. A few common mistakes that we see when people begin doing the Muay Thai kick, you see them kicking up, wham, just like that. Sometimes they're too close. Wham, too close. Another common mistake, their chin is up. Kick, wham. Another one is that they don't turn their shoulder over. Wham, just like that. That's pretty common when you first begin the Muay Thai kick. You don't know how to step out. You don't really know how to get proper distance. You don't know how to aim. But we're going to show you how to fix those very quickly. You want to touch for your distance. That's going to prevent you from kicking too close. Kicking too close, it can injure you. It can open you up to elbows. You can get grabbed easy. And it's not a powerful shot because you're too close. You want to be hitting with this part of the shin. Bop around there. That lower half of the shin. Swing. Dang. How do you do that? Distance. Second step, open. Opening up like this, it's going to allow you to turn the body over. If I'm stepping forward onto this line and not stepping out and showing my ankle, I won't be able to turn over. I'll show you. I touch for my distance, which is good. I step forward towards the line. I don't open my hip and watch me try to turn this kick over. I can't. Cannot. Some of you guys probably look like that and you don't know why. It's because of that initial step. Make sure that you step open and show the ankle towards your opponent. Bend the back leg so that way you can spring off the ground. One more again. Touch, open, bop, oh, wop, beautiful. Watch his right shoulder. Watch how he turns it over. Come on. Good. Now I want you to watch where he doesn't turn his shoulder over. Bam. He did everything right. He got his distance. He stepped out. He kicked, but he didn't turn his shoulder over. So that's why I look like this, straight up. But to get that turn and prevent possible injury, you have to turn this shoulder over. This time he's going to turn his shoulder over one more time. Very good. Then he goes back to balance. Doing this technique with your chin up is very risky. Think about it. You have all these nerves right here. If you kick, and he doesn't put his chin down, bang, I'm going straight through it. Bang, it's putting you down. Those punchers, they don't care about kicks. As a kicker, you have to be proactive and protect yourself. Let's say that I want to punch and he turns over. Bam, that's going to put me right back. Even if I try to punch, it doesn't matter because his chin is down. He's turning his shoulder over. He's stepping out and he's whipping that body. That power really comes from that step, that initial foundational step, and springing off the ground with that back foot. When it comes to that hand, some people say whip the hand, some people say have it out. It's up to you. But the left hand, I always tell my students to use it like a cell phone. I've seen some people do it this way. Bop. I really don't like that. I can't see where I'm kicking. And I believe that the idea is to protect themselves against the punch. If they give him a straight punch, it's right there. I believe that's the idea. But it doesn't matter if I have a good step out, my chin is down, and I really turn. So try that punch again. Bam! I'm swinging all the way through. My trainer used to always tell us, he said, when you have a gun, you just don't shoot like this and not look at the target. This is your rifle. You're going to look at your target when you kick. Chin is down. We don't want it here. I can't see my target. Cell phone. Because if he body kicks, wham, just in case they try to time it like that, I'm still protected. We're thinking ahead. We've given you a few mistakes. We talked about stepping outside the line. We talked about kicking straight up. You want to put your hip towards the ceiling, turning your shoulder over, cutting the hand down, having the cell phone, chin down. Easy enough. Let's get a few good ones. Good. Good. Give me a good one. Good. Now, to complete the movement of doing this, you have to finish how you start. What do I mean by finishing how you start? Let's show him, Tito. That's how he starts. You see his hands are up by his eyebrows. He's here. This is a game of milliseconds. Come on. He body kicks. Right there. Make sure that you finish the way you start. It's extremely important. Let's show him the incorrect way, Tito. He's touching for distance. He's stepping out. He's going to turn. He's going to do everything perfect, but he's going to end incorrect. Yes. Sometimes they come down parallel. Bop. He just kicked at me. He's landing like this. He can't defend the teep. If I rush him with punches, he can't defend the punches. He's not ready to defend himself properly. We want to make sure every time we land those kicks that we protect our points. To do that, you have to finish how you start. One more again. There we go. Very good. We've given you the mistakes that you can correct. A great way to practice this with a partner is with the double kick, but you have to do the double kick the correct way. I've noticed a lot of times when people are doing a double kick, the corrections that need to be made, they're very noticeable. When the beginners do the double kick, it goes, bang, bang, go again, bang, 3, bang, go, bang, bang, bang. No good. My D, no bueno, terrible. What you want to do on the double kick is follow the principles. Stepping out, chin down, cut. However, when you come back, you want to bring the foot behind you. When I double kick, this is my back foot. I kick, wham, I bring it behind me. And I keep my ankle faced at my opponent or my partner or my pad holder. So slow motion, I'm kicking, wham, I bring it behind me. Again, wham. That's the principles that we want to give you. Let's give it to them in regular motion. Good. Balance. Again. Good. Block. Bang. 2. That double kick, that's going to help you with speed. That's going to help you with power and accuracy and balance. And above all, it's going to help you out with that cardio. Because as you know, the kicks take a lot out of you. So do that double kick drill with your partner. This is a bag drill exercise that we promised you. We want to follow the principles that we just went over to the best of your ability. So remember everything we taught you. We're going to touch for distance. You're going to show the bag or your opponent, your ankle. When you take this first step, Tito, don't forget to show them. When I'm taking my first step, this back leg isn't straight. No power. So I touch, pop, step out. I'm already open. Then I wham, turn it. Wham! And when you finish, you have to finish the same way you start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tabernacle. What you're going to do is 5 sets of 15. When you kick, you come straight back down. We touch it for distance. It's there. Kick. Yeah. Bam. Down. That's going to help the speed. Touch. Yeah. Down. Turn. Shuck. Bam. Down. No wibbly wobbly. No chingamaduha. None of that extra stuff. It's up, down. Up, down. Touch if you need to readjust, but then up, down, fast as you can. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Down, 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 up, down. He's seeing himself in the pocket. This is the pocket, the area where we can hit each other. You don't always have to 1-2 left kick, 1-2 right. You don't have to lead with your hands sometimes. If we're here, Bob, he don't even see it. Wham! That's what this drill will do for you. I'm talking about if you perfect this move, 5 sets of 15 for 2 weeks straight, your kick will get so fast, you won't even need combos. You can step right in front of them, bam, back down, and your balance will be perfect, guaranteed. That's a quick snippet of the long form version of this video that you can now get on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Training Program. All you have to do is click the link in the pinned comment or the description and get registered now. Over 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai to help you grow fast. And don't forget, hit that shop link if you want to get dripped out with us with the KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear. It's real fly. Also, for more of our Muay Thai tutorials on our YouTube channel, all you have to do is click this video right here and it's going to give you our full playlist. We know that you're going to enjoy it.